It's been great to be the founding principal of Melonba High School and to be able to work with our community to fashion a school that meets the needs of their children so they can participate at the highest levels that they possibly can.
The facilities that we have here, obviously being a brand new school, are world class. We can offer so many different things.
It's great to see the kids getting to kind of pick their journey and what they want to do. We have a big oval, a great hall.
I really love the basketball courts. It's really nice to just have fun with my friends there.
We've got fantastic science labs within the school, great wood and metal rooms.
My favourite place in the school is the PE fitness lab. That looks really good.
This is a space we'll be using as support for our theory content with some practical application opportunities.
The lecture studio has retractable seating and that doubles as a movement studio.
It's very spacious. I get to use it for my dance practices. Excited for that as well.
I'm excited to try out the food technology rooms.
We've got our hospitality and vocational education vet kitchens.
We are hoping to start soon a student-run cafe and set up a vegetable garden. The opportunities are endless.
This school is really up there.
It's much better and bigger than before.
It was very exciting. We have a place that we can go and connect with our peers to establish new understandings and come together as a community.
I just think that we are producing something really special here. The teachers are really enthusiastic, giving the right support for children so they can reach them within their studies.
We have state-of-the-art facilities, a fantastic teaching group and a really supportive community that values education.
It's just so nice to be able to see students thrive in such a new environment and give them all these opportunities that we can here at Melonba High School.